how to use TikTok if it is banned in your country. So if I open TikTok and TikTok is banned right now and I can't use it, what I will do is I will open NordVPN app. This VPN app can change my location to another country, to any country I want, and my IP. So I will choose United Kingdom, for example. And now I am connected to United Kingdom, and this is my IP address. So I will click back, and if I browse TikTok, it is working very well, and you can use it, and your account is safe as well. So now you can choose NordVPN app or Surfshark VPN app as well. It is great app, both of them the best. But before you leave the video, you need to understand, you need to click on the first links in the description, and after that he will direct you to this deal. You will get 70% off if you click on the link in the description for NordVPN, and for Surfshark you'll get 68% off as well. So I will choose, for example, NordVPN, tap on get the deal, and there is 13-day back guarantee if you want to cancel it later. So we have 2 years plan, and we have 3 plan, ultimate and plus plan and basic plan. You can choose any plan you would like. For example, I will choose the middle, the plus one, tap on get plus, the most popular plan. And as you see, we have discount as well. The discount is applied automatically because I clicked on my link in the description. And after that you can pay and insert your email address right here, and he will send you your info login to login in your app easily. And you can do the same with Surfshark as well. Tap on get Surfshark, and you can choose any plan you would like. As you see, this is a huge discount on Surfshark if you choose 24 months, which is 2 years. And if you choose 1 month, there is no discount, and it is very expensive for you, to be honest with you. So you need to choose for 2 years to have a huge discount. And that's it. This is how you do it. Tap on get one and insert your email address, and the same process. Choose payment method. Please click on the first links in the description to claim this offer. This is limited time offer, and that's it. Please leave a like on the video, and if this video helped you, subscribe to